If your Subaru Forester keeps dropping Apple CarPlay mid-drive, you are not alone, but the fix is usually simpler than you think. Data shows that over 80% of smartphone connection drops in modern vehicles are caused by a faulty cable or physical debris. Let's isolate the root cause, starting with the easiest $0 fixes first. First, swap out your aftermarket cable for an official Apple one, clean out your phone port, and disable conflicting Bluetooth connections. Subaru's Starlink infotainment system is notorious for firmware bugs that cause random drops and system lockups. On your iPhone, verify that CarPlay is fully allowed under screen time restrictions and enabled while the screen is locked. If it drops when you hit a bump, it is hardware. If it drops at the same geographic spot, it is wireless interference. Replacing the cable resolves nearly half of all reported cases, followed closely by updating the vehicle infotainment firmware. Connect your Forester to your home Wi-Fi network through the Settings menu to check for and install the latest firmware patches. If updates and cables fail, the physical USB hub inside your center console may need a quick, low-cost replacement. Before spending any money, try a hard system reboot by holding down the audio volume knob for a full 10 seconds. With a clean port and fresh firmware, your navigation should stay locked in. Hit subscribe for more practical automotive tech fixes.